All right, so today we got some products that we're reviewing from our friends at Proshine. They sent us a few items. One is a chicken door, and then we got a automatic chicken feeder with a timer. It's gonna be for them. This is the chick pen. All right, but this is it. The Proshine automatic chicken feeder. Let's set it up. Got a bag of goodies inside. I like some legs, some screws. This is the shoot part. I don't see no instructions, so I assume you can't mess it up. But they do have a QR code. I guess you could use that if you need it. Here's the chute. I guess it shoots out the food. The chute actually goes in right here. We're gonna leave it open so it can spread out because I got a bunch of chicks, so we're gonna see how that go. Now on the side is a power button, and this is where you plug it in at. Turn the power on. And as you can see, I set the time, so currently right now it's 2:55 p.m. So what you do is you press set, set again, and that'll give you your first feeding. So it's a 1, and I got it at 17, so it's military time. Well, 7. I got it 7 a.m. We're gonna feed that first feeding. Press it again, and they give you the run time. So the run time will be 5 seconds. The second feeding is gonna be at 5 o'clock. Press again for the minutes, and then 5 seconds. And then that's 3. It got up to 6 feedings that you can feed. We're only doing 2. And then boom. All right, y'all, that's the Proshine automatic feeder. If y'all interested, y'all in check the link below and go ahead and get you one. It's pretty cool. We'll see how it works out. All right, so now let's go get the chicken door. We're gonna install it on this Proshine automatic chicken door. Definitely needed this. Here's the solar panel, little bracket, little battery pack. Come with batteries. Little keychain. I guess this opens and closes the door. Here go the door itself. Automatic chicken coop door. All right, so the first thing it got me doing, I gotta draw out the door. And what they say is don't try to open the door with your hands. There's a door thing up here. You open it, let the batteries out. They give you a pack of rechargeable batteries. So you press test, and the door will open for you. Let's see where we got to cut. So now I'm gonna cut this out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the wood so I can mount the door. All right, and connect the solar panel, which is right here. This is how you program it. It's military time. So you see it'll say 1809 right now. And as you can see, it's charging, solar power charging. And then I got it open up at 6 a.m., but you press the gear button and that'll change the time. Press it again, that'll change the seconds. Press it again, that'll take you from time to time or time to light or light to time or light to light. And then I want it from time to time. That's what I'm assuming the TNT means. So 6, I guess I'm gonna change it to 11 a.m. That's 11 a.m. And then 21, I got it closing at 9:10. So that's how you do that. Then you press it again, and then that's it. So yeah, we in the game. And they do give you a bracket to put on the solar panel. Let's see if they come out. But yeah, appreciate Proshine for sending this out to us. The automatic feeder, the chicken coop door. Appreciate it. If y'all interested, like I said, links will be in the description. Y'all go ahead and get y'all one.